Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have these two beautiful exponential equations to solve. We have 2 to the power of x squared all over 2 to the power of minus x equals to 64. And then of course we have 16 to the power of x equal to x to the power of 8. So what will be the values of x in both equations? Okay, so what we're going to do is to start. I'm going to start with the first solution. And please, if today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel or seeing any of my videos, please, I would like for you to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, okay? And then for returning subscribers, please like my video and give me. I'd like to hear your comments in the comment section. Thank you. And let's proceed. We have 2. That's for the first question. We have 2 to the power of x squared all over 2 to the power of minus x equal to 64. What we're going to do is to write the expression on the right hand side also as a power of 2, okay? We write it in base 2. So 2 to the power of x squared all over 2 to the power of minus x equal to 2 to the power of 6. Yes, 64 is 2 to the power of 6. And then of course, I'm going to apply this rule on the left hand side. If I have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of minus n, then it is going to be a to the power of m minus n. So we have a to the power of m, minus times minus is plus, then n. So we apply this rule to the left hand side, okay? And so the equation now becomes 2 to the power of x squared plus x equal to 2 to the power of 6. And so we also apply this law. If we have a to the power of x equal to a to the power of y, since we have equal bases, then the powers will be equal. So x will be equal to y. In that case, this expression becomes, so the bases on both sides will cancel out. So we have x squared plus x equal to 6. And so this 6 moves over to the left side. So we have x squared plus x minus 6 equal to 0. So this is quadratic. Our attempt to factorize the expression, okay? Now, by factorization, we know that we're going to look for the coefficient of x squared is 1. So multiply this 1 by minus 6. So you have 1 times minus 6. Then also it could be 1 minus 1 times 6. Then other factors are 2 multiplied by minus 3, and then of course minus 2 multiplied by 3. These also are factors. So now we look at this 4 set of factors and see how we can further factorize the middle term. So we need to factorize the middle term, okay? So that will give us x squared, and then of course we replace the middle term. Since it is positive, we are going to use this number 4 option, okay? So that will be minus 2x plus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. And then I group and then factorize. So I have x is common here. Now x minus 2 plus 3 is common here. Now I have x minus 2 equal to 0. So I have x plus 3 in one bracket and then x minus 3 in the second bracket equal to 0. So this will give us x plus 3 equal to, sorry, this is x minus 2 rather. So x plus 3 equal to 0, or x minus 2 equal to 0. And this will give us x minus 3 or x equal 2. So for the first equation, x equals to minus 3 or x equal to 2. Now let's look at the second question. The second question is, we're going to go back to the next page and then see what we have. So that one is B. We have 16 to the power of x equal to x to the power of 8. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to try to remove the index on the left. So what I will do is multiply the powers on both sides by 1 over x. So the equation becomes 16 to the power of x multiplied by 1 over x equal to x to the power of 8 or multiplied by 1 over x. And so we use this law. There's this rule in indices where you have a to the power of m or to the power of n will give us a to the power of m times n, which gives a to the power of mn. So I'm going to apply this rule to the left hand side. Okay, we apply this rule to the left hand side. So we have 16 to the power of x dot 1 over x equal to x to the power of 8 or to the power of 1 over x. Okay, so this and this will go. So I have 16 equal to x to the power of 8 or raised to the power of 1 over x. Now, what I'm going to do now is to switch. I'm also going to apply this. If you have a to the power of m or to the power of n, this is the same thing as a to the power of m times n, which is a to the power of mn, which I can also write as a to the power of n to the power of n. So I'm going to apply this to the right hand side. So it becomes, so the right hand side becomes 16 equal to x. So you move, according to this rule, the 1 over x goes inside and then the 8 comes out. Okay, so from here now, we multiply to eliminate this 8. We multiply the powers on both sides by 1 over 8. Okay, multiply the powers on both sides by 1 over 8. So we have 16 to the power of 1 over 8 equal to x to the power of 1 over x, then to the power of 8 times 1 over 8. So this and this will go. So I have 16 to the power of 1 over 8 equal to x to the power of 1 over x. Okay, so what we do next is to write this 16 as 4 to the power of 2 all to the power of 1 over 8 equal to x to the power of 1 over x. So I'm going to multiply this 2 by this 1 over 8. So I have 4 to the power of 2 times 1 over 8 equal to x to the power of 1 over x, right? Okay, so here I'm going to have 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So I have 4 to the power of 1 over 4 equal to x to the power of 1 over x. So you can see that on both sides we can compare the powers and also compare the base. So comparing powers on both sides, so we see that 1 over 4 equal to 1 over x, which gives us x equal to 4. Okay, then also comparing the base on both sides, comparing bases on both sides, we have that 4 is equal to x, which also means x equal to 4. So the solution to this is x equal to 4. We can check that. So let us see. We can check that by saying 16 to the power of x is the same thing as 16 to the power of 4, which means 16 times 16 times 16 times 16. This is 256 times 256. Now let's look at the right hand side, which is x to the power of 8, which means 4 to the power of 8. This I can break it down to 4 to the power of 4 times plus 4, which means 4 to the power of 4 times 4 to the power of 4. So that means 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Then you have 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 16 is 256. Keep that right there. Okay, compare with that. Then for this we have 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. And then 16 times 16 is 256. Therefore, the solution x equal to 4 is correct. Thank you for staying by. I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you.